Hello everyone, today we are going to start exercise 6.2. You have done 6.1 I hope. In that you will use two identities, that is a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and one is a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can see the difference. We have the middle term 2ab where a multiply by b. Here b is negative in the second identity, so we will proceed here a multiply by minus b. That ultimately gives you minus 2ab, right? If you multiply a with minus b, you will get minus ab. If it is 2, then 2 minus 2ab. So this is the little difference in between these two identities. So let us start. We have to find out square of the numbers we have given, right? So for finding the square, the one method is you can multiply the base to itself, but it is the easiest way to find the square by using identity, right? You can write this 32 square as 30 plus 2 square, right? So let us compare. If I write a equal to 30 and b equal to 2, so this become a, right, plus this b square. So this is same as a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is using identity a square plus 2ab, because positive is there, so we will use the addition property. So 2ab plus b square. So let us start. So your 30 plus 2 square, instead of a we are using 30 and instead of b we are using 2. So this is equal to 30 square plus 2 into 30 into 2 plus 2 square. So this is we just replacing a and b by 30 and 2. So 30 square, you can find 3 square into 10 square, right? 3 square is 9, 10 square is 100. When 100 multiplied to 9, you will get 900. So you can directly write 3 square is 9, 10 square is 100. So 100 into 9 is 900. So plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, and multiply by 10, so it followed by 0. Now 2 2s are 4. You can add these, you will get the solution. So this is 4, 2, 9 and 1, 10. So this is the square of 32, right? Now let us start the second part. 35 can also be written as 30 plus 5. If you are need to find out square, so you can put a square here, right? Now what is a? Let us compare. If I take a equal to 30 and b equal to 5, so what it become? This is a plus b whole square, that is same as a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now just put the value. Instead of a we use 30 and instead of b we use 5, right? So let us start. This become 30, instead of a 30, instead of b is 5. 30 plus 5 square is equal to 30 square plus 2 into 30 into 5 plus 5 square. So 30 plus 5 square means 35 square. This is equal to 3 square into 10 square, that is 900 we have done here also, right? So 900 plus 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, and this 10 followed in the multiplication. So 5 square is 25. So let us add these 3. We will get this is 2, 5, 9 and 3, 12, right? One more shortcut method is there, you can apply in the objective exams. Like when a number ends with 5, if you want to find out the square of this number, just multiply these two, you will get 5 5s are 25. Find the successor of this number is 4, 4 3s are 12. This is same. So this is for the objective exams, right? For 1 marks questions. Now the third part, 86 can also be written as 80 plus 6. If you want to find out the square of this number, put a square here. Now let us compare. If a equal to 80 and b equal to 6, so it will become a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now instead of a we will use 80 and instead of b we use 6 frequently. Now this is 80 plus 6 square, that is equal to 80 square plus 2 into 80 into 6 plus 6 square. So 8 square is 64, 8 8 is 64, and this is multiplied by 10. 80 can also be written as 8 into 10, and square of 80 can also be written as 8 square and 10 square, right? So 8 square 64, 10 square is 100, so this is 6400, right? Now you are habitual of finding the square of tens number. You can write directly. So here is this is 6 2s are 12, 12 8s are 96, and a 0 followed plus 36. Now you can add these. This is 960, this is 36, so add these. 6 6 and 3 9, 9 and 4 13, 6 and 1 7. You will get this number, right? So the answer is 7396. Now you can find 93. 93 can also be written as 90 plus 3. If you want to find out the square of this number, put a square here. Now let us compare. If I am taking A is 90 and B is 3, so it become A plus B whole square, that is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. So instead of A we use here 90, instead of B we use 3. So let us write, this is a 90 plus 3 square, means 93 square. So this is 90 square, this is 2 into 90 into 3 plus 3 square. So 90 square is 9 9s are 81, 10 square is 100. So 100 multiplied by 81 is 8100. Now multiply this 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 9s are 54, and a 0 followed, plus 3 3s are 9. Just add, you will get 8100. When added with 540 and 9, you will get 9468. That is 8649. This is the solution, right? Now come to question number 2. Here we have given to find the Pythagorean triplet. At first I want to tell you what is Pythagorean triplet. You have done Pythagoras theorem in the 7th class also. In that you know that the square of largest side, that is hypotenuse, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two smaller sides. So if I take, this is the right angle triangle, and the Pythagoras theorem only hold on the right angle triangle. In that we find the hypotenuse. So in that this is the largest side, so square of this one, if I am taking h hypotenuse, this is perpendicular and this is base. So you know that by the Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to b square plus p square, right? So same thing is here. Here h will be equal to m square plus 1. Here p can be m square minus 1, and b is 2m. They can shuffle, p and b can be shuffled, right? So for this we can find that whether m square plus 1 square, that is h square, equal to m square minus 1 square, that is b square, plus b square. If this relation fulfill, then the three numbers that stands for m plus 1, m square plus 1, m square minus 1, and 2m are Pythagorean triplets. Means three numbers can be considered as the Pythagorean triplets if the sum of two smaller numbers, square of the sum of two smaller numbers is equal to square of the largest one. Means largest numbers square equal to sum of square of smaller numbers, right? So these are the Pythagorean triplets. If they fulfill the, if they satisfy the property of Pythagoras, then they are called by Pythagorean triplet. So we have already here given that the number we find are satisfying Pythagoras theorem. So one of the triplet we have given, we don't know it is hypotenuse, base, or perpendicular. We don't know. So we have to put all these things. We know that let the Pythagorean triplets are m square plus 1, m square minus 1, and 2m. So let us take, when you have given squares, it is difficult to find out the value of m. From here we will find the value of m through 6, right? So at first I am taking 2m equal to 6, then m equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. You can put m square plus 1 equal to 6 also, where m equal to 6 minus 1, that is 5. Then m square equal to 5, taking square root on both sides, you will get this is square root on both sides, and you know that square and square root will vanish out, so m equal to plus and minus 5. So it will give you two numbers, one is positive and one is negative, because in the square you know that minus 1 square is also positive 1 and positive 1 square is also positive 1. So we have given this number to two possibilities are there. So this is root 5. So we just need to find out the number in the simple integer, simple natural numbers, right? So you can leave this case. So let us take m square minus 1 also. I am taking m square minus 1 equal to 6. So here it equal to m square equal to 6 plus 1 is 7 and m is equal to taking square root on both sides. This is root 7. Same pattern will follow. So here you see this is root 7. So this is not a natural number. So you can take this possibility. It is easy to proceed. You can find through these also, right? So let us check. So let us find the other triplets. One triplet you got means this is the value of 2m, right? And second will be m square plus 1, third will be m square minus 1. So let us find m is 3 you got here. So 3 square plus 1 and 3 square minus 1. This is 3 square is 9 plus 1. This is 3 square minus 1. You will get 9 and 1 10. 9 minus 1 is 8. So we can say that 6, 8 and 10 are Pythagorean triplet, right? If you want to put these values in this formula, this equality, it will also hold, right? So this was the first part. Now coming to the second one. 14 we have given, so we know that the Pythagorean triplets are let the Pythagorean triplets are, this is a m square plus 1, m square minus 1 and 2m, right? So let us check. At first I am taking 2m equal to 14, then m square plus 1 equal to 14, then m square minus 1 equal to 14. So this is m equal to 14 by 2, that is 7, and here m square equal to 14 minus 1, that is m square equal to 13, and m equal to plus minus root 13. Likewise, I told you how can you find the value of m, taking square root on both sides, and it will leave two possibilities, positive and negative, because 13 is not the perfect square, so root will remain with 13. Now m square equal to 14 plus 1, that is 15, and then m square equal to 15 taking square root on both sides, so m equal to plus minus root 15. So you see these are two irrational numbers where the power is a fraction, means root means power is 1 by 2. What the meaning of root 15? It means 15 raised to 1 by 2, right? So fractional power. So it is a irrational number. So we can leave these cases. You can take these also, but it is easy to find out through m equal to 7. So let us find the other triplets. So let us find here 2m we have 14. So let us find m square plus 1 and m square minus 1. M we got 7. As m we got 7, m equal to 7 we have here. So 7 square plus 1 and 7 square minus 1. You know 7 square is 49. 49 plus 1 is 50. Here 7 square is 49. 49 minus 1 is 48. So it was the second part. So we can say that 14, 50 and 48 are Pythagorean triplet, right? You can write here. So these are Pythagorean triplets. Let us start the third part. So we know that let the Pythagorean triplets. So we have three triplets, that is 2m, m square plus 1, m square minus 1. They are remain same, right? So let us put 2m equal to 16, and the second case is m square plus 1 is equal to 16. Third case is m square minus 1 equal to 16. So let us find m equal to 16 by 2, that is you can find 8. So m equal to 8. From this case m square equal to 16 minus 1, that is 15, and m equal to plus minus root 15. I told you how to find, right? It is the same case. You can find root 15 taking square root on both sides, right? So m square equal to 16 plus 1 is 17. When you transpose this, minus 1 become plus 1 and added with 16 you will get 17. Now taking square root on both sides, we will get m equal to plus minus root 17. Now where the square goes, right? So m square means power 2 and root means when you take square root of m square, right? I'm taking square root of m square. This become m raised to 2 into power is 1 by 2. I told you what is the meaning of square root. So power is 1 by 2, you can cut and m will remain. So that I'm writing m here, right? So these are two irrational number. I told you the power is a fraction. So we can use this m equal to 8 to finding the other triplets. So m square plus 1 and m square minus 1 we will find from here. So let us find. M is 8, 8 square plus 1 and 8 square minus 1. This is equal to 64 plus 1. This is equal to 64 minus 1. This is 65 and this is 63. So we can say that 16, 63 and 65 are Pythagorean triplet, right? So that's all for today. This is the full exercise and fourth part is remaining. You can do it by yourself.